Look at this loser.
Oh! Why does everything irritate me? Cops look the same.
Our goal is to find. Oh, what is that?
Oh, that's a new thing. It's completely harmless. Just don't press the button.
What the fuck? Oh my god. Holy shit. Fuck this shit. I'm gone. I got the camera. I decide what happens with it. You losers just stay here. Might as well use up the rest of the film. No, Shredder, don't throw I can't believe they all died. I'm so depressed and sad that they're dead now.
Brady, I don't know what happened.
What shall I do? Oh my god.
Brady,
guys.
I have zero clue what happened. No, we're NPCs.
Okay.
I'm actually torn number 2 now.
Oh shit.
I'll never be the same.
Bleh.